All right, I already started this project, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video just in case anybody else is having this problem. It's my dad's vehicle. He's having an issue with lights coming on, and make sure I can start this thing real quick. Check everything here. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So I'm gonna show you these lights. Lights aren't on at the moment, but this is, see here, has fallen down because this clip broke. This clip went right back there in that hole and held this on, and you see it broke. So this keeps falling down, and it's not connected right there, which is causing it to throw these codes. VSA light coming on, and they're not on right now at the moment, of course. But if I was to drive it around the block, it would come on. So it kind of defeats the purpose. But the codes are VSA, flashing light, I think maybe airbag light. I can't remember exactly at the moment, but yeah, he had this wired up there holding this box up, and from time to time it would slip down and this box would come disconnected and those lights would come back on. So I told him that I'll fix it, but this is the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue around here, Gorilla Glue. Find a spot here, shove it back up in there. And then I'm going to put a hole through this piece here. Gonna put a hole right through there so that I can fit a zip tie or two, and I'm gonna zip tie it back up here to this hole here, and just hold it up tight. Because this box, to buy a new one of these boxes, because this little bracket broke, is like $100 for this little thing, which is ridiculous. So it's going to be a permanent fix for a couple dollars, if that, whatever zip ties are, and glue. So that should hold it up there and won't throw any more lights. But this is a 2010 Toyota Corolla. Stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see this project next. I'm going to cut all that out of there and try to fix that in the cheapest way possible to where it will still look decent. But anyways, quick video on this in case anybody's wondering. And to get to that, you have to take out a few different, there's a screw here, there's a clip here, one of these clips right here, and then there's a screw that goes up here into this side of the bumper, and then there's one down here holding this piece on underneath it, and then up top there's two here, just go into that, and then there's another one right here, another one here, two more there, and this piece bumper will come off. Thought I was gonna have to take the battery out to get down in there, so I took this battery off, but I didn't need to do that. Take the screw out of the light, didn't need to do that either, because I decided to go in from the bottom side, which I'm glad I did because that's where I needed to be. So there's that.